Hey, Miss Dixon, I'm sorry to report that there's nothing. Now, Rebel, I've got a riot to put down. Listen up, everyone. I know it's Cobbler Day. Y'all came to lunch today expecting a nice big piece of Huckleberry cobbler. But I'm afraid there will be no cobbler today because it's been stolen. And I know who stole it. It was Curse the Worst and Mikey Plumber. Come on, I'll show you.
It's all gone.